Hello everybody, Susanna De Beer again, and today is about chafing kits or chafing dishes, food warmers, keeping food warm. The gamut of descriptions we get here at our rental business is overwhelming, but nonetheless, I'm going to go over all the pieces and how to rent them out, and also as the customer how to rent them or decide what you will need. So they come in a frame with a water pan. Inside that goes a food pan. On top of that goes a lid. So typically, a frame will look something like this. And then inside that will go a water pan. And inside that will go a food pan with a lid on top. Now, there's two options for a food pan. There's two half pans or one full pan. This is a full pan with a lid. You will see the difference between the water pan and the food pan. There's one is 4-inch, one is 2-inch. That's to allow for the water in here to get heated up to keep this food warm via these sternos or fuel pods or flames, depending on who's asking. So you will need two. For a rectangular chafing kit, you'll need two, one for each end, otherwise your food's not going to be warm. Secondly, this food pan is a full one. You can also substitute with two half pans, which what this does is that it allows you to have two different foods in one chafing kit. This way you can also turn, instead of having the chafer with the narrow end towards you, you can turn it the other way and have the wide end towards you and have two different dishes. Maybe one will be fish and one will be chicken, or one is rice and one is potatoes, or two different types of vegetables. Obviously the endless options are there, but this is basically how a chafing kit goes together. They come with different lids. This is a standard lid. They do come with a roll top lid. The fancier ones are roll top lids. Also exists little round ones. They only take a single one, but they're tiny. They're really not for large events. They're for small intimate parties. It's a round chafing kit. Same concept, exactly the same parts, just round with one fuel pod. However, if you are the person returning them or the person renting them, when these come back into a business, the business will check to make sure you have the frame, you have the water pan, you have the food pan, and you have the lid. This is a retail consumable item, so as a rental, I would not be expecting that back because I'm expecting you to have used it and eaten all your food and kept it warm. Anyway, so this is all about the chafing kits and how they should go out and how they should be returned with all the pieces together. Thanks for watching.